You passed the eval, you got funded, and still didn't get that payout. There's a good chance it's not because you can't trade, but because the rules are designed to stop you from getting paid. And this new plan here at MyFundedFutures completely flips that. Hey everyone, my name is Jordan, and most of you know me as Hit. Today I'm breaking down our newest program, the Builder Plan. For some of you, this may be a game changer. If you've been grinding prop accounts, burning through evals, maybe passing some here and there, but unable to get that payout, stay with me. We created this plan with one idea in mind, an easy path to payout. This is really going to be great for traders that have been struggling to build consistency. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how this new account removes traps other firms have and how it provides you with a clear, fast path to getting paid. Before we get into the actual rules of the Builder Plan, let's talk about the real reasons why funded traders never see a payout, because it's probably not due to bad trading, but being set up to lose. There are 3 reasons why most funded traders don't get paid. The first is the consistency rule on the funded account. You build up the account balance by following your rules, you hit the profit target to request a payout, and then realize you're not actually allowed to get paid yet. You end up needing to make more because of a tight consistency rule. The second reason why traders struggle to get paid is because some firms have a large profit target in order to request the payout. Let's say you want a 2K or a 3K payout, but you need to make double or triple to request it. This can create urgency that can result in rush trading or oversizing. The third reason traders struggle to get payouts is because of the minimum trading day requirement. Some plans have a long amount of trading days required to request a payout. You feel forced to trade even when there's nothing there, and that's where most accounts are lost. You made a profit, followed the rules, but can't request and get that payout. These 3 things contribute to the failure of many funded accounts, rules that are designed to punish normal trading behavior. And they're exactly what we measured the Builder Plan against. So as we go through the program, ask yourself, does this fix these 3 problems? Now that that's out of the way, let's break down the rules for the evaluation, because this is where things start to already feel a little different. This is a 50K eval with a profit target of 3K. Traders have the choice to choose between a 2K or a 1.5K end of day max loss limit. For those that are not too familiar with drawdown, all this means is that the drawdown moves at the end of the day and not intraday. The drawdown size you select will carry over to the sim funded stage. So if you choose the $2,000 max loss limit, that's what you're going to get on the funded account, and vice versa if you were to choose the 1.5K max loss limit. You may be asking, why is there a difference? The answer is pretty simple. We're giving traders more affordable, cheaper options. The accounts have a daily loss limit of 1K. This is just a soft pause. You do not fail the account if you hit this. You just stop trading for the day, and then you can come back tomorrow in a fresh state of mind. Traders have the ability to use 4 minis or 40 micros, and news trading is completely allowed. And this is where most traders wake up. There is no consistency rule on the eval, which means traders can pass in 1 trading day. Yes, this is a 1-day pass. We're giving traders the freedom to pass in as little as 1 day, or you can also take as long as needed. Hit the target in a single session and you're funded. There's no activation fee, no hidden costs. You buy the eval pass, you get funded. And don't forget, you can instantly upgrade into the sim funded account to start trading the same exact day you pass. Unlike other firms that only allow 1 trading platform, we have a wide variety to choose from. We have Tradeovate with TradingView integration, Quantower, Volumetrica, and many more to make sure you have what fits you best. Now let's talk about the sim funded account. This is where most prop plans fall apart, but not this one. After passing the eval, you obviously get your sim funded account, which we just spoke of. Your account is going to start with a balance of 0. So it's no longer going to say 50K, it's going to say 0, and you're going to have a 2K or 1.5K end of day max loss, depending on which drawdown you selected during the evaluation phase. There's a daily loss limit of 1K, and again, this is a soft pause. If hit, you do not fail the account. You're just locked out until the next trading day. Another great feature about this plan is that traders have access to 4 minis or 40 micros from day 1. There is no contract scaling. There's a 7 calendar day inactivity rule, so make sure you're aware of this. And on the sim funded account, news trading is completely allowed. There are no restrictions. So you can trade how you actually want to trade. A big W for this plan is that there is a generous 50% consistency rule on the funded account. All this means is that your best trading day in the payout cycle cannot be more than 50% of your total profits. Pretty straightforward. This allows you to trade how you want while also removing the gamblers. Now let's talk about what really matters, getting paid. And this is where our program shines, as our payout cycle is unlike any other comparable plan in the space. As you can see right here, you can request a payout every 2 days. Yes, every 2 trading days. No waiting weeks. Follow the rules like the 50% consistency and you're going to get paid fast. So do the math. This means from the start of the eval to the sim funded account, you can get paid in as little as 3 days, we have a 1-day pass and a 2-day payout cycle. To qualify for a payout, you first need to make your drawdown amount. This is going to serve as the buffer and it must be cleared in order to request a payout. For your first payout, you must have at least $500 in net profit above the buffer. This means to get paid, you'll need to make 2.1K on the 1.5K drawdown account and 2.6K on the 2K drawdown account. There is a flat 2K payout cap with an 80% split to you, the trader. This gives you the possibility of requesting $2,000 every 2 trading days as long as the rules are followed, up to 5 sim payouts. Once you hit 5 payouts, you'll be promoted to a live account, which I'll cover shortly, but the buffer must be clear for every single payout. You cannot withdraw into the buffer, and in between each payout cycle, you have to make at least $500. The rules are simple and fair. Trade for 2 days while abiding by the 50% consistency, keep the buffer intact, and you'll be on your way to getting paid. You have the possibility to make thousands at an extremely low entry cost. You can also get funded today for as little as $75. At the time of this recording, the current promo will give you 40% off. To claim this, you can get the exclusive discount code in the description of this video. And listen, I know what you're thinking. There's gotta be a catch, right? I can pass in 1 day, I can get paid in 2. All for under $80. There gotta be something, right? There gotta be some sort of catch. You're only allowed to have 1 Builder Sim funded account at a time. Remember, we created this plan specifically for those that have been stuck in the cycle of burning through accounts without getting any payouts. The Builder plan gives the opportunity to those struggling an easier path to payouts. And that's exactly what we've done. After 5 payouts, you will be promoted to a live account. Here at MyFundedFutures, we want to give you a clear path to trading the live markets. In our live account, traders will have an end-of-day max loss limit of 2K or 1.5K, depending on which plan you graduated from. One of the best features on the live account is that there are daily payouts. There's no consistency on the live account, so you can make as much as you want and withdraw it. If you lose the live account due to hitting the max loss limit, there is a 3-week cooldown period, and after 21 calendar days, all restrictions are lifted, and you'll be able to make new eval purchases to get back into funding. All right, so now that we've covered the builder plan, let's compare it to other firms. I'm gonna show you exactly how this stacks up against the other popular 1-day pass accounts. We can see our plan here on the left, and on the right, we have the other 2 plans. These accounts are the same size, have the same profit target, max drawdown, and contract size. These are also all 1-day pass. Our plan has a slightly smaller daily loss limit, which honestly is a good thing. This can stop you from losing too much in a single day. With my own trading, if I hit the full daily loss limit with any of these other firms, I'm going to be coming into the next trading session with around $800 or less in total drawdown. With our plan, if I hit the daily loss limit, the next day I'm going to be heading into the market with more drawdown. So it's going to help me minimize my losses and capitalize on my wins. And we can see our pricing falls in the middle, making it extremely affordable for you. Overall, the evals are pretty similar, but let's take a look at the funded accounts. This is where they really separate. Our plan is the most lenient and forgiving when it comes to consistency. These other firms have tighter consistency rules, making it more difficult for you to get payouts, while our 50% consistency gives you way more freedom. And with more freedom comes faster payouts. With our builder plan, you can get paid out in as little as 2 days, every single 2 days, while other firms require more trading days. Our program pays faster. There's no waiting around or forcing trades to get paid. These are the 2 biggest differences and show how you can have an easier path to payout on our plan compared to anything else that's out there. So I'm gonna keep it real. We're gonna have this little one-on-one. If you've been stuck grinding, going through evals left and right, getting funded then blowing them, simply just not getting paid, this is where you reset. The builder plan removes what's been holding you back. There's no more traps with tight consistency rules, no delays to get paid, not a daily loss limit that's going to destroy your account. And before you say it's only an 80% split, 80% of something is always better than 90% of nothing, because at the end of the day, it's not about passing, it's about getting paid. After building consistency on this account, you'll be in a much better position to tackle any other prop accounts without being stuck in eval jail or failing to get paid. The prop firm industry is flooded with noise right now. Almost every single firm has a sale running, and almost all of them claim the same thing, that they're number one, that they're the best. But I need you to cut through the noise and ask yourself this one thing. Which rules do you struggle with the most? Where you are right now. This current second, this current moment in time. Not in the future, but right now. I want you to be honest with yourself. And for most of you watching, the answer is going to be the consistency rule and the required trading days to get paid, which makes our plan the place to start. That's going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. If you know someone currently stuck in eval jail, send them this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, your boy Hit got a little goodie for you guys. Comment what you like most about the plan and comment one thing you want to add to it for a chance to win a free builder account evaluation. You can also find the exclusive discount code in the description of this video. So until next time, everyone, stay funded at MyFunded. Good luck and good trading.